don't know if you can hear this. This is my first official drive on the road. Stuck in traffic on Highway 1. But the car seems like it's running great. Clutch is actually really nice. Feels very modern. Easier than it was in the Cobra. That was a McLeod hydraulic slave cylinder. This is the hydraulic throw-out bearing. I gotta admit, feel is great. A little low, but I think that'll come up as it gets broken in. I got one little aluminum panel I can hear rattling back there. I'm gonna have to find out. But other than that, the car seems solid. Temps coming up. So that was my first ride, other than just around the block, where I think I put a third of a mile, maybe a half a mile on it. So now I've got about 12 miles on it, maybe even 15. I didn't even look. But the car runs excellent. Few little pet peeves. The rear view mirror that I installed, the rear view camera, there's so much glare off the back of this windshield. It doesn't really work so well, but I'm wondering if that's because of all the shiny aluminum in there. So I'm going to actually go in and grab the carpet and just kind of lay it in there for right now. I'm thinking that's my issue. We'll see, because I think we're getting all this light and it's coming back up off the glass. So, and we'll play around with that. And also the rattling. There was a couple of panels. That's why you see tape back in there. And I put some carpet back in there. I was getting some rattling. Other than that, there's no rattles. It drives great. It actually rides really pretty smooth, I've got to admit. Plenty of power, but I didn't really get into it. But, you know, so far so good. I'm going to check the engine out, check for any leaks. And then tomorrow it's brake and light inspection. So we'll go from there. Thanks again for watching, and you know, she's on the road. So as I said, it's not perfect right now, but it will be eventually. Right now, it's drivable. So I'm excited. It was fun to drive. So a lot of looks, a lot of thumbs up. So thanks again for watching. Hit subscribe.